Our sun is a mighty star. It constantly emits a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. Imagine a giant fan always blowing, sometimes with an extra gust. These gusts are solar storms. They happen when the sun releases bursts of energy in magnetic fields. These bursts travel through space at high speed. Solar storms are fascinating and powerful events. They remind us that even from 93 million miles away, the sun's activity can directly impact us here on Earth. The sun's surface is a turbulent place. It's covered in magnetic fields which are like invisible lines of force. Sometimes these lines get tangled and twisted. When the tension becomes too much, they snap and reconnect, releasing tremendous energy. This energy release can take different forms. Solar flares are sudden, intense bursts of light and radiation. Coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, are massive clouds of charged particles that erupt from the sun's corona, the outermost layer of its atmosphere. Both flares and CMEs can cause solar storms that affect Earth. When a solar storm hits Earth, it interacts with our planet's magnetic field and atmosphere. This interaction can disrupt the technologies we rely on every day. Radio communications can be affected, leading to disruptions in GPS systems and even airplane navigation. Power grids, the networks that distribute electricity, are also vulnerable. The intense energy from a solar storm can cause power surges that overload transformers and cause blackouts. In a world increasingly reliant on technology, understanding and mitigating these risks is crucial. While the immediate impacts of solar storms are concerning, there are also long-term risks to consider. Frequent and intense solar storms could damage satellites, disrupting communication, weather forecasting, and GPS navigation for extended periods. Scientists are also studying the potential impact of solar storms on Earth's climate. While the exact relationship is still being researched, some studies suggest that solar activity could influence global temperature patterns over time. By studying solar storms and their effects, we can better prepare for their potential impacts and safeguard our technological infrastructure.